Shafik, thanks very much for coming to Ayurooms. Please tell us what made you decide to come to Ayurooms in Mysore?
I was convinced by my brother. My brother's been here, and he was here for about a month or so, and he saw the benefits, and told me all about this place, and I was then totally convinced, and that's why I came out here.
And so your brother raised your expectations, and they were pretty high when you got here. Did we meet them?
Absolutely.
And what's been the food like? I mean, to have vegetarian food for so many days in a row.
It's not the most exciting, but at the same time, for health reasons, I totally accept what's been provided, and it's been quite okay. I have nothing to complain about the food.
How would you compare your experience here to a Western massage?
Oh, there's no comparison. There's absolutely no comparison. There are so many treatments that are available here. I've had 2 treatments per day, typically one in the morning, one in the afternoon. And my treatments have ranged from a half an hour treatment to a 2-hour treatment, where I've had 2 people working on me for the half an hour treatment, and for the longer treatments I've had up to 6 people working on me. So the treatments are I've never come across treatments as good as what I've experienced here at IVAC.
What would you say to friends and family members back home who might be on the fence about coming to India?
I don't know why they would be on the fence about coming to India. Bottom line is that you need to take care of your health. And whatever age you are, whether you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, or even in your 80s, if you are able to travel and come to a place like this, I am certain that you'll make it a regular practice. If not once a year, you'd probably come out here every 2 years. I would say yoga will become part of my daily routine. I've got the sequence now down packed. Been here for a week, and I saw how much improvement there was in my flexibility just within 1 week. And the teacher was very kind in recording the sequence for me, and she's also already emailed to me the sequence. That's something I will put into practice for sure when I get back.
And how would you describe the support that you receive from Ayurooms in terms of arranging things for you?
I've not had to worry about a thing. All the arrangements that needed to be made here with the team at IVAC, to my transportation, to even going as far as wanting a local sim while I'm here, because while I'm here I still do need to attend to my business. And no, the sim was made available to me, and whatever I have needed, Ayurooms was a phone call away. I've been to a number of centers, wellness centers. I would say this one is probably the best as far as treatments are concerned, as far as the doctor, the Ayurvedic doctor that we have here for consultation. But I would say what really stands out here are the treatments. The treatments, I've not had these kind of treatments anywhere else in the world.
Thanks very much, and hopefully you'll visit again.
For sure.